Anthony De Silva, आता ऐकलं विश्वजीत राणे सांगत होई that he is going to keep on hold all the amendments except 2 or 3. They hold build काय ना, no abeyance, nothing. Mr. Vishwajit Rane, Honorable Minister, please stop all your ball games now. Now the next generation is going to be the youth going to come out. And youth भायर सरल जायतू मागीर तुका आनी भारी पडटले. Amendment naka, shut down. आमकां तुगेलें कांय नाका आतां. So you please stop it. Let us redraw the whole things once again. But as of now, what you have brought in, please scrap it. Only scrap it. This is only the beginning. We are going to go till the end to see that not a single inch of Goa is henceforth going to be be sold by you people. You have been ruling like donkeys here in Goa. And the whole of Goa is destroyed. So Vishwajit Rane, you have probably thinks that you are going to give us some, grains by saying that you are keeping the amendment on abeyance now, today. I came to know just by 2 o'clock, 2:30 that you are making a statement that you are going to keep the amendment bill on abeyance. No abeyance, just scrap it. Please, Devaragaru, thank you very much.